Welcome to our case study on this sash window restoration project, featuring 9 sash windows on the front of this beautiful property nestled in the rolling hills of Devon. The sills on these windows were significantly rotten, so our scope included replacing each sill, along with the lower sections of the pulley stiles and outer linings on both sides of the existing box frames. Before any work begins, we take great care to protect your home. Dust sheets and floor protection are used throughout. And while we recommend moving smaller items from the work area, larger pieces can be safely covered. Once the area is prepped, we start by removing the staff and potting beads, allowing us to carefully take out the sashes. Any areas with excessive paint buildup are scraped back to remove loose, flaky layers. Next, the pockets are removed to access the sash weights. If the pockets are in good condition, they'll be reused when we install heavier weights to suit the new sash windows. Dust and mess are kept to a minimum at every stage to ensure a clean, tidy work environment with no debris blowing into your home. Rotten sections of timber are carefully cut out of the box frame. Precision is key, allowing us to install new timbers neatly and securely. As part of sill replacement, we also replace the lower pulley lining and outer lining. This ensures that all damaged timber is removed and the new components can be installed with precision. Accurate measuring is essential before fitting the new sill and surrounding splices. Every detail is carefully considered to ensure a perfect fit. Each property is different, and so are its windows. That's why all of our work is bespoke, tailored to suit the design and character of the home. Our in-house surveyors and technical team work together to make sure the right components are specified and produced by our workshop team. With the new sill dry fitted, we test the fit of the sashes to ensure they align perfectly with the existing box frame. Once we're happy with positioning, all components are cut to size, then dry fitted, glued, and fixed securely in place. Now the transformation begins to take shape. The structure is solid, and the aesthetics are already greatly improved. The sashes are cut and scribed to ensure they fit perfectly, making for smooth operation and correct hardware alignment. We then install replacement weights and waxed sash cords before closing up the pockets. The sashes are hung on the cords, and new staff and potting beads are fitted. These feature integrated brush strips to reduce drafts and ensure smooth movement. A weather strip is also installed to the top sash, sealing the gap between the sashes when closed to help improve energy efficiency. With everything aligned and tested, we fit the hardware, typically 2 sash lifts and 1 or 2 fasteners. Restrictors can also be added for enhanced security and child safety where needed. We make sure all exposed timber is painted and sealed to protect it from the elements and ensure long-term performance. We recommend a professional decorator applies a full finish once our work is complete to ensure the best final result. Once sealants and paint are dry, a final inspection is carried out to make sure everything operates as it should. And that wraps up this sash window transformation on a stunning home overlooking the seafront and village centre in Beer. We proudly serve the whole of Devon and surrounding areas. If you think we can help preserve and improve your sash windows, don't hesitate to get in touch.